That was it.
Yeah, I know.
I was hoping I could hear it, but I don't know if you can hear it on here.
I can hear it. Quite loud.
Click, 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 click. I think it's back that way. I know it's. Maybe he just wants you to stop banging that thing.
Well, that's not gonna happen.
Because that's when it starts making noise.
Yeah, I know.
Mr. Clicker thingy. Do you have a flashlight up here?
No, I don't. Otherwise, we probably would have already found the culprit.